Capturing your coworkers' attention can be a challenge, especially in a hybrid work environment. On this edition of Tips and Tricks, we're hopefully going to make it a little bit easier for you to grab your colleagues' attention through @mentions in both Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Outlook. Let's take a look at how it works. So, if I'm in my Teams application, and I want to head on over to chat, let's say within this group chat, I want to get Irvin's attention. I can say @ and then type Irvin's name. There was also a list that popped up where I could grab different names from, and I could say, can you please take a look at the report I sent over? Let me know what you think. And now when I add that chat into this thread, Irvin will get a notification, and it's going to show up in his activity feed as well. Just a great way to grab his attention from here in Teams. Another example, if we go into Outlook of how to use the @mention, let's say I'm in an email here, and I'm going to reply to both Alex and Wilbur. But in my reply, I want to let them know this looks good, but I also want to loop Irvin in again on this. I can do that. And now this is going to instantly add Irvin to the to line. I could of course move him to CC or BCC, but now he'll be included in this email thread as well, just with a simple @mention. Well, there you have it. Pretty simple, but highly effective. My name's Sorensen. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful, and if you want to learn more tips and tricks, please hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot.